going to get on your poetry journal on Schoology and work on page 19 and come up with your own similes. Sarah, use her Oshraf, Alex, Mylese, Malaktowit, Natalie. You were on Ceasar's English. Yeah, similes and poetry journal, yeah.
You learn new things every day, and they, instead of doing it like in one way, they do it in different ways, in very interesting ways.
Is that Parklawn has the right classes for me. When I'm having trouble with an assignment, they're always there to help me. I learn new things every day.
That they teach us new stuff, so like we can like get new jobs and stuff.
Fun is how kind the teachers are and how we do events after school like math night, bingo night, and family night.
Fun holidays like Match Day, Pajama Day, and lots more.
There's a running club, library volunteer, morning news, and patrol. And I love doing those things because it just keeps me focused and busy and trying to be helpful in my school. And I also like specials because it is fun and we play a lot of different games and sports.
I love the interior design of Parklawn. I think it's slick and nice.
It's a unique and one-of-a-kind school. There's no other school out there that's like Parklawn.
So if the diameter of the pool is 15 feet, how much paint will they need to cover the bottom of the pool?
Times 2.
7.5 times 2.40.
Yeah.
3.4. Yeah, no, it's not 15 because they have.
Tell us the steps that you took, and let's see if our steps match.
Line is like over there. Okay, so now rip it. You're gonna rip this. Oh, rip this.
Yeah, 35.
You don't have to.
Wait, what is this?
Hey.
What was that? Let's just do 30.
I did it. How about a hexagon?
Easy.
Okay.
I need one more piece.
Hexagon has how many
We need a shape with 6 sides. That's a triangle. 5. This is the 2.
Was SCAT because you get to learn about history and work with your friends to try to do some research about history times. I really had fun when we did group projects.
The activity that we all sit in a circle as a class and we talk about the stories we had. The secretive seminar. The Yeti. We've done the Yeti. And I was excited about the bio bags.
All science experiments because it's fun. It's just fun. I have no words for it.
The all about papers. We wrote all about something.
Alibi, because I love whenever you just get to guess another guess. Like researching our animals, and I like doing ancient civilizations, and like poetry, and like soil and like fractions and that stuff with you.
Is math treasure hunt.
The algebra lesson. It was fun and easy.
That I can learn like a lot more than other people, and I get to learn like a higher level than everybody else.
On the bottom here, you're gonna write your topic question or topic title. Oh, Olympics. Oh, sorry, I missed that. Influence.
Who is someone who was a very famous conductor on the Underground Railroad, class? In Minty's own words, I grew up like a neglected weed. Pause for you to highlight important things.
On their way to my campus, and at least 2 to 3
Share your thinking with Zachary, please.
I try to paraphrase it so it's not like the exact same sentence. I love that you can like build different things with Legos and do different things that you never see you can do with Legos, like coding or building like cars to buses to even swap books.
My favorite part is where you get to build and code everything about your Legos so you can make them like move, so you can transport Lego people from place to place.
One thing I love about advanced academics is that the students learn as much from me as they do from each other. I watch them push themselves to think outside of the box. I watch them discuss topics and watch them agree and disagree with each other respectfully.
We have so many different students with different traditions and learning backgrounds. I love that this brings new ideas and new perspectives to everyday learning. I love learning with my students, and I love teaching them new topics and pushing them to think outside the box.
And another reason why I love teaching at Parklawn is I just love how tight-knit the community is. It makes it very easy to build that trust and relationships with families, with students, with parents, with other teachers that support the class. But there are many more reasons why I love Parklawn, but those are just the two. Bye.